Manitoba is facing the harsh grip of winter as extreme cold warnings blanket the province, adding to the aftermath of a recent powerful blizzard. A combination of severe weather conditions has prompted school closures, disrupted travel, and created challenges for emergency services and residents alike. This past Friday, a fierce blizzard swept through southern Manitoba, leaving highways impassable, vehicles stranded, and residents coping with hazardous conditions. Authorities reported over 70 traffic collisions in a single day, along with numerous instances of stranded vehicles. Tragically, the weather-related incidents resulted in one fatality. Adding to the challenge is the ongoing extreme cold, with Winnipeg experiencing wind chills around 40 degrees Celsius since the weekend. These frigid temperatures, coupled with slippery roads and reduced visibility, have necessitated the closure of schools and businesses in many areas. Emergency services have emphasized the importance of adhering to road closures to ensure safety, as venturing out can lead to fines or more dangerous consequences. While residents are navigating this Arctic blast, meteorologists offer some hope for relief. A shift in weather patterns is expected, with southerly winds set to push the cold air out by the end of the week, bringing temperatures closer to the freezing mark. However, this roller coaster pattern of warming and cooling may continue, as another wave of Arctic air could return by next week. For now, Manitobans are urged to stay informed about weather updates, plan their travel carefully, and prioritize safety during this period of severe winter weather. The resilience of the community is evident, but these challenging conditions serve as a reminder of the unpredictable power of nature. Stay subscribed for more videos.